Hello and welcome to Petals, Crafts, and More. I'm Pat and we're making this beautiful red, white, and blue vase arrangement. You'll see here I've already started the process. I lost the first part of the video, guys. I'm sorry for that. But I'm sure by now you know how to measure and mark and cut your foam. Now we're going to make this for the cemetery, but you could easily cut it down to fit any colored vase that you had and display it through your home or office, as well as the cemetery or front porch, patio tables, anything. I'm going to do a lot of resizing because I did not want this to be a big, tall arrangement. I didn't want the wind to get up under it and take it to China. So we're going to go kind of smaller, shorter anyways, not smaller. It's going to be plenty full enough by the time we're finished. But we're doing a lot of re-stemming. And I'm sure by now you've got that figured out. Just find a smaller stem or a longer stem, whatever you need, and take it apart, your stem apart, take your florals and greenery off the stem, and then just put it on the new stem, leaving the tip of it bare so you can dip it in your glue and then put your head on top. There, I'm putting a little bit of glue on the leaf to keep it in place. I didn't expect it to go anywhere, but it could have. You'll notice that we're using, our vocal point is the red rose, a beautiful, full, large head red rose. And then we have miniature blue roses and the white filler flowers. And you'll also see that I put that stem of vicus greenery in there. That was to fill in the mid part of the arrangement so that you couldn't see through it. All right, Red, it's okay. My neighbors are making noise outside and my little boy is not happy with them. But it is getting that time of year where everybody's getting out of the house for a little while, enjoying the weather. You'll also see that I decided to go fuller than my original plan, so I had to use the leftover part of the second bush of red roses. It's normal for me to go fuller. While I'm placing these last few red roses, guys, I want to remind you that we are on several social media sites: Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, YouTube, and Pinterest. So if you're on any of those or all of those, look us up, join our page, and don't forget to water our flowers. Excuse me. Don't forget to water the flowers so that they will grow up and spread throughout the community and everybody can see the flowers. I'm in a lot of floral communities, Facebook communities, and it amazes me at how many people are interested in florals these days. Looking for the right stem there. I'm still working on that. No, let me tell you the truth. I have not worked on that website one day this week. I'm stuck with it. I'm disgusted with it, overwhelmed with it, and I've just focused on the house and getting more of the housework done, and I've not focused on that website this week. Hopefully tomorrow I can get back involved with it and get it finished. I don't like a whole lot. I'm just not, it's not coming out the way I want it to, and I don't know. I'm just a very picky person about certain things. And if I'm going to do it, I like to do it right. Like to be proud of it myself anyway, let's say it that way. May not do it right, but at least I'm okay with how I do it. Oh, I'm sleepy, guys. You'll notice that stem wasn't the right size, so I had to clip it. After we get finished with all this and I go back and check, I realize that I did not glue it. I always tug at each and every flower to make sure that they're all secure. And when I tugged at it, and I think there was like 3 of them. When I started tugging, they started coming loose. So I had to take them back out and re-glue them. Look at that. What do you guys think? Let me know. Leave a comment. Tell me if you like it or not. Don't forget to like our video, like our page, water our flowers, and let your friends and neighbors, Facebook family see our videos as well. See, I just keep on adding. But it turned out beautiful, guys. What do you think? Don't forget, guys, we are on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, YouTube, and Pinterest. Come find us. Join us on each and every platform. You're more than welcome, and we'd be glad to have you. I think those little baby blue roses just look so pretty in that. And there it is, paired up with the wreath that we just made. Thanks for watching, guys.